Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable project work notifications on LinkedIn using the latest PC update. If you want to stay on top of new project opportunities and updates, turning on these notifications is essential. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings. On the left side of the settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you customize the alerts you receive from LinkedIn so you never miss important updates. Scroll through the notification categories until you find Hiring Someone. Click on it to expand the options. Within this section, locate Service Page Projects. This is where you can manage notifications specifically related to project work and service page updates. Now, look for the toggle labeled Allow Project Work Notifications. Switch this toggle to On. This will enable notifications for any project work updates, such as new requests for proposals or changes to your service page projects. That's it. You've successfully enabled project work notifications. From now on, you'll receive alerts whenever there's activity related to your projects, helping you respond quickly and stay engaged with new opportunities. If you ever want to change these settings, just return to the notifications section in your LinkedIn settings and adjust the toggles as needed. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to make the most of LinkedIn's project work features and stay ahead in your professional journey.